ba talaga ang mission and vision ng I Am Plus?
I love that. Our vision and mission, I would say our massive transformative purpose.
Yes.
Yan yung tawag namin dyan. It's healing humanity's wounds by infusing them with love. Yun talaga. We believe as an organization that ito ang analogy ko.
That is the mission.
Oh, yes. Ito ang aking analogy, ha. For example, company. You have many companies right now. Kailan mas nagiging creative, intelligent, and productive ang staff mo?
Pag nagkakaroon ng project or problem?
When they're happy or when they're stressed?
Happy.
When they're happy.
Yes.
When people are happy, everything seems so easy.
Yes.
When people are pressured, toxic, and stressed, everything seems hard.
Correct.
So, yun yung context. When we were looking at that, what is it that we wanna, what's a world that we envision the world to be? Where humanity's wounds are healed with a love-infused world of transformation. Yan talaga yung pinaka-vision namin. And our mission is continuously bring people to personal mastery programs, okay, that is focused on self-love and knowing who they are. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Every performance, every company, every organization, every person, lahat tayo will always boil down to what is that one thing that gives us ease and flow. Ano yung ease and flow? Ito yung pinakamataas na result with the least amount of effort. Pinak-productive na hindi masyadong stressed. At this is only what we found out. A clear heart does this. Ano yung clear heart? Yung wala kang baggage na binibit.
Wala kang sama ng loob.
Wala kang sama ng loob. Wala ka ng gustong patunayan.
Oo.
You just do what you do because you're happy doing it.